Clostridium is another one of the types of bacteria that we're going to see if we can isolate from a soil sample. Clostridium is gram-positive bacteria. They are bacillus shaped. They are spore forming. They tend to be anaerobic, very commonly found in the soil, and they do have very strong significance in the medical microbiology field. Clostridium, there are several different species that are responsible for causing different diseases. Clostridium tetani is the causative agent of tetanus. Clostridium botulinum is the causative agent of botulism. Clostridium perfringens is a causative agent of gas gangrene and types of food poisoning, and Clostridium difficile is causative agent of colitis. So as you can see, there are several different very, very serious diseases. Some of these can be certainly fatal if left untreated. A lot of them will produce toxins, both the tetanus and botulism. The disease itself is the result of a toxin and the effects of that toxin. They interfere with muscle contractions. Just FYI, the botulism toxin, there's 7 different variants of it. The botulism toxin is the most toxic natural compound known to man. So when I'm saying these can cause very serious, potentially fatal diseases, I'm serious when I'm saying that. So what you do is you take a sample of the soil that you want to test. Now in our case, we use the same soil sample that we are testing for bacillus. We heat it up because if you take a soil sample, heat it up, that is going to kill most of your vegetative cells. And then you take the sample and you plate it out on a petri dish. Because Clostridium produces spores, then those spores should germinate. And by heating it up first and killing the vegetative cells, you've basically eliminated a lot of the competition that you're looking for. This is showing a gram stain of Clostridium. And as I said, it is gram positive. As you can see, they are rod-shaped or bacilli-shaped. They do produce those spores. Now, even though this is not a spore stain, if you look at the ends, these darker look like little circles. It looks like the end of the cell is kind of swollen up a bit. Those are actually the spores that you are seeing on there. So Clostridium, as I said, has a very high medical significance of why you may want to be testing for it.